Okay, good afternoon everyone. Good afternoon. So everyone, welcome to the world's largest film studio complex, Ramoji Film City. My name is Rosanite and I'm the first connecting tour escort. And right now we are going for the Film City sightseeing to enjoy the beautiful gardens, mountains and also film settings set like Bahubali said. So are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so everyone see on the right side. This location is known as the Eureka. Eureka is your tourist starting point and also your tour ending point. All the entertainment programs, shows, complimentary rides are all available here in this location. This is the central place. And also after you have completed your studio tour, your last connecting bus will drop you here, same location. That time you can also enjoy the rides and shows available here. And I can see everyone see on the right side. Right side we have two elevation gardens. From the outside it looks like the Delhi Mughal gardens, and also from the inside it looks like the Vrindavan of Mysore gardens. Yes, this garden are used for the pre-wedding shoot and also for destination marriage only. And again everyone followed by the on the left side. Left side again we have the Ciara Garden. Ciara Garden is very famous for group dance and also for romantic song. The picture song Ullalla Ullalla is very famous. Yes, that song also shot in this garden. And also Telugu movie Dulai Allu Arjun song Oh Madhu that was also shot there. Malayalam movie Darling Darling was also shot in that garden. And again on the right side, this is the Angel Fountain. The highest fountain in Ramoji Film City. Design is also in Greek architecture. And again on the left side, again we have the Limelight Gardens. Oh Nadan Parinde song of the Rockstar movie. That song was also shot inside that black stage. And also inside this Limelight Gardens, birthday parties, marriage ceremonies were also organized inside this Limelight Gardens. And again everyone I can see on the left side top again we have the Hawa Mahal of Ramoji Film City. See on the left side. The interior design is the replica of the Jaipur Hawa Mahal. And also everyone from there you can also see 50% of the Ramoji Film City because that is the highest point in Ramoji Film City. And again on the left side, this round garden is known as the Charisma Garden. During shooting time, there will be flowers available inside that Charisma Garden, and those flowers will change its colors according to the saris the heroine wear. Red sari, red flowers. Yellow sari, yellow flowers. Heroine-oriented garden. And again on the left side, again we have the soundproof mobile generators. In Ramoji Film City, we have 40 soundproof mobile generators. These soundproof mobile generators are used for outdoor shooting only for power supply purposes. And again on the left side, we have the equipment department. All the equipment used in filmmaking process are stored inside that equipment department. And again on the right side, we have the jug fountain on the right side. This jug fountain design is also in Roman architecture. You can also see the jug fountain in Chris movie 3 replaced by Hrithik Roshan statue in Chris movie 3. And again on the right side, this big building is known as the multi-purpose building. You can also see that building in Chandramukhi movie has the Laka building in Chandramukhi movie, and also in Sitarama movie was also shot in that building. And again, everyone see on the right side. On the right side top, there is one temple is there on the right side. That temple is the Minama temple in Chennai Express movie. Chennai Express movie Minama temple. In that movie, Shah Rukh Khan lived Deepika ma'am all 300 steps right. But actually in Ramoji Film City, we only have 40 steps here on the right side. These are the steps available here. But in that movies, they are showing 300 steps. Here we only have 40 steps. And also everyone I can see on the left side. Left side again we have two elevation temples, Gurudwara and Golden Temple. See. After painting white colors, it shows as the Gurudwara. And also after painting gold colors, it will look like the Golden Temple of Amritsar, two elevation temple, that temple. And again everyone on the left side, this location is known as the North India location in Ramoji Film City. And everyone in movies and also in shooting time, this location is shown as the Delhi and Mumbai. This is the front part of the Gurudwara. And again followed by the on the left side. Again we have the Buland Darwaza of Fatehpur Sikri on the left side. That red one is the Buland Darwaza. And again, everyone again on the left side, again we have the Das Mahal and Masjid. After painting white color, Das Mahal, and also after painting green color, Masjid, two elevation. And again on the left side, again we have the Mumbai Gateway of India. That is the Mumbai Gateway of India. So everyone in Ramoji Film City, from Agra to Mumbai, it takes only 30 seconds in Ramoji Film City. And also everyone I can see on the left and right side. In this location, we have different design of buildings are here. These buildings are not original buildings. These buildings are made of cluster of Paris and plywood, only for the purpose of shooting. They are not original buildings. And again, everyone I can see on the left side, we have three flexible houses, first, second, and third. The second house you can see is Dilwale movie has the heroine house, Ghazal house. And the last house you can see is Atare Digidare, the movie was also shot in that last house. And also everyone again on the right side. This location is known as the South Indian location of the Ramoji Film City. And the first movie shot in this location was the Sotemia was the first movie shot in this location. So on the left side, this is the Mumbai Chor Bazaar in that movie, Sotemia movie scene. And again on the right side, Singham Milton Police Station and also Pavan Kalyan Kappad Singh Police Station, same building. And again everyone, on the left side, not this building, the another building. See on the left side, you can see this building in Dilwale movie has the Shahrukh Khan terrace. That is the Shahrukh Khan terrace in Dilwale movie. And again on the left side, in Chandramukhi movie, this is the Abdullahpurmet Das Mahal house, Golden house. And also everyone here, on the left and right side, this location is known as the typical South Indian location. You can also see this location in Ramoji Film City. The first building is the EDV Bharat. EDV Bharat is a digital news app, and also it is available in 28 states in 30 languages. And the second building is the Usakir Movies Private Limited. And the last third building is the Inardu newspaper building. These are the corporate buildings of Ramoji Film City. And here the movie. And the first Hindi movie, Sotemia was the first Hindi movie, and the first English movie, The Nightfall was the first English movie, and the first Malayalam movie was the first Malayalam movie, and also in 1998, tourism was started in Ramoji Film City, and in 2008, Ramoji. And after this, you have to, in order to complete this whole studio tour, you have, and your next location will be Bahubali set. For Bahubali set, you have to change another bus from railway station. Again from Bahubali set, you have to, every location you have to change another bus for next location. Every location, there will be 6 connecting buses will be for you.
What is that? Get out of this place. If I see you come again, you will lose your life.
And again everyone can see on the right side, this building you can see in Terena movie has the Shanmalkal Mendel Hospital. So on the right side, this is the Mendel Hospital in Terena movie. And also inside this central jail, many movies have been shot. Some of the
Señor Ramoji. सेनापति रामायण
क्या कर रही है आप मुझे बताओ ना।
आईस्क्रीम बघा तुम्हाला